Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. There's something truly special about a slow, quiet morning, and what better way to embrace it than with a simple, delicious, and healthy breakfast? Today, we're making the fluffiest 3-ingredient banana oat pancakes. They're so easy, or you'll want them every morning. All you need is 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, and half a cup of rolled oats. That's it. The riper the banana, the sweeter your pancakes will be, so those spotty ones you have sitting on the counter are absolutely perfect for this. First, let's start by mashing our banana in a bowl. You can use a fork to get it nice and smooth. I love how the sweet smell of banana instantly fills the kitchen. It's such a comforting aroma to wake up to. Once it's mashed into a lovely, creamy puree, we're going to crack in our 2 eggs. Now, give that a good whisk until the banana and eggs are well combined. You'll see it start to look like a light, airy custard. Next, we'll add our half cup of rolled oats. You can use old-fashioned or quick oats, whichever you have on hand. Just pour them right in. You can mix everything together with a spoon for a bit more texture, or if you prefer a super smooth batter, you can pour this mixture into a blender and give it a quick blitz. I'm just going to mix it by hand today. After it's all combined, let the batter rest for just a minute or 2. This little step is our secret to getting those fluffy pancakes, as it allows the oats to absorb some of the liquid and thicken up the batter perfectly. While our batter is resting, let's heat up a nonstick pan over medium heat. You don't need much oil or butter, especially with a good pan. Once it's warm, we'll spoon small circles of batter onto it. I like to make them about 2 to 3 inches wide. They're easier to flip. And they look adorable stacked up. You'll see little bubbles start to form on the surface after about a minute or 2. That's your sign that they're ready to be flipped. Use a spatula to gently peek underneath, and if it's a beautiful golden brown, give it a flip. Cook for another minute on the other side until it's just as golden. Look at that gorgeous color. And just like that, our pancakes are done. I'll stack them up on a plate. You can enjoy them as they are, but I love to add a few fresh banana slices and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. It's the perfect finishing touch. There you have it. A wholesome, delicious, and incredibly simple breakfast to start your day on a bright note. It's proof that you don't need much to make something wonderful. I hope you give this recipe a try and that it brings a little bit of calm and coziness to your morning. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple, feel-good recipes. You'll find the full recipe and my favorite kitchen tools in the description below. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one.